Hello everyone. I know it's been a long time since the last video, but I was busy with some other things, and also I didn't have anything significant to say about phones the last 6 months. But now I'm back. I'm back with a new video and maybe with a new phone, a new device. I spent more than 16 months having the OnePlus 10 Pro, and so far it was a very good experience. Remember, I used it with the Color OS version, the Chinese version, and I decided after 7 years using OnePlus devices to make a small change. I saw many reviews, I read many articles about the OPPO Find X6 Pro, and I decided to make a small change. I don't want to say upgrade, but I can just say the word change. So I have here the OPPO X6 Pro, the new flagship from OPPO, actually. And there are some reasons that I decided to make this move. The first reason is the camera. I was waiting patiently for many years actually to see an OnePlus device, an ultra version of OnePlus with a periscope camera and some other improvements. And the OnePlus 11 that came out this January, it didn't make me feel so happy. Actually, I had the device on my hands and I tried for some time, but it didn't seem like a flagship device. It seemed more like a T version of OnePlus. Many things were missing and it made me feel a little disappointed. So this reason, and the reason that I didn't hear any news about a new OnePlus device that it can be like an ultra version, made me go and try something else. Of course, it won't be very different because both of them running the same OS that we can talk also later. But I just wanted to try something else, just to see how it is. Remember, I'm using OnePlus devices since OnePlus One. I tried them all except the OnePlus X. So this is going to be my first Android device that it won't be OnePlus since the OnePlus One. So let's open this device and let's see what I think that you have seen many videos about this phone, but I don't think there will be any other surprises. Anyway, this is the Chinese version of this OPPO Find X6 Pro, and it's the first black box that I have since I can't remember when was the last time. Usually OnePlus devices were all red boxes. Okay, so it's a very similar experience with the OnePlus. Okay, I mean, it's in the same company anyway, same main company anyway, BBK. Okay. All right, this is the phone. I will just leave it next to its cousin, and let's see what else is in this place. All right, charger, 100 watt Superbook, same like the OnePlus devices recently, with USB-A to USB-C. I think this is the USB-C cable. just a white cable. I'm going to miss the red cable from OnePlus, but actually I have a couple of extras, so I think it's gonna work anyway with this. Just different white, different red cable. I love the red cable from OnePlus. All right, so very fast charging. Now in this box, just a card with some things that I cannot read. Any stickers like OnePlus? Okay, this is the SIM tool. Unfortunately, no stickers. Oh, I will miss also the OnePlus stickers. And this is the case. So now you can understand what version and what color version I bought. This is a very nice case, actually. Good. Now, let's go to the phone. Let's open it. No more plastic. So this is paper. All right, here it is. I was a little bit puzzled between getting the black one or this vegan leather one, but since I didn't have any silver phone before, I decided to go with this color variant, this brown silver color. I really like it very much. I mean, the grip is so good. Wow, that's a very big camera bump. And I also love this small detail here in the button. This dot, this Hasselblad dot, actually. And another small detail is this color accent in the power button here. Okay, the screen is not very curved, and that's one reason that I choose this and not the Samsung S23 Ultra. I don't like very, very curved sides. All right. Okay, it doesn't feel that it's bigger than the OnePlus 10 Pro. Okay, let's put them together, side by side. Yes, it's not, doesn't feel very, very different. But you can see the size of this camera bump, this round camera bump here. You can see it very, very clear. It's a big phone. So yes, this is it. One thing I'm going to miss for sure, it's the alert slider here that OnePlus, all my OnePlus devices had since, I can't remember which one first, but I'm going to miss it for sure. And I want to see how this thing will go. Anyway, I'm going to start it up, set it up, put Google services, and I will be back. Now, one of the reasons that I bought this phone, it's because, you know, I wanted to have a small change, like I said before, but I also wanted to experience some new things that I never had the chance before, like the IR blaster here that I never used before in an Android phone. And I was a little bit curious about this. You know, this is a flagship device. It has everything that a 2023 device could have: wireless charging, fast charging. It has the new SoC, the 8 Gen 2. It has 16 GB RAM. This is the model with the 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, that you can also add more RAM if you want. So actually it's a beast. It has all the things that you would like to have in a phone, and I think that in the top of all of these things, I want to try the periscope camera. It's a feature that I was looking forward for many years to have in a phone. I didn't go for the Samsung S23 Ultra. The price is a little bit more than I can actually use for a daily device. But I think that the combination of price and all of these specs in this device makes it worth the upgrade from the OnePlus 10 Pro. Even though the system will be very similar because both of them have Color OS. This has the Color OS 13.1, that it's a newer version, when the OnePlus has the Color OS 13. I think that soon it's going to be updated to 13.1, but this has it already on board. From the first time that I boot this device, it had an update already. So, yes, I'm going to be very excited the next days for sure. So it took me about 30 minutes and everything is here. Everything transferred from my OnePlus 10 Pro to OPPO Find X Pro. They have one app, one cloning app that it can transfer everything so fast and so nice. I need to tidy up a little bit some things and do some actually app openings to see if everything works well. I need to sign in my accounts, but so far everything is okay. I'm really happy that everything transferred very smoothly, like my music, my files, my photos, everything. So I'm going to use both of them and the next days, and I'm going to see the differences that the two phones have. Of course, there will be a lot of differences in the camera department. Please leave me a message, leave me some comments, and if you have some questions that you would like to ask me, what do you want to know about these two phones, or if you have any suggestion, or if you have something that you would like to know, I can try, and I will come back with another video very soon this time with a small review about this phone. And yes, just ask me anything you would like to do. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.